Welcome to video 2 on quartiles. Quartiles of a data set, divided data set into 4 equal parts. Recall that a median is at the center of the data, so it divides the data into an upper half and a lower half. It is one of 3 quartiles, the second quartile, or Q2. We're going to be doing some elaboration here. So we're going to talk about how to find the other quartiles, quartile 1 and 3. To find the quartiles of a data set, it must first be ordered least to greatest. Okay, and I'm going to give you an example of that. I want to go down 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, 1. Actually, I'm going to go down 4. And I'm going to make a list of, or a data set that is already ordered from least to greatest. So we'll have 18, 21, 22, 24, 28, 30, 31, 32, 36, and 37. Okay, so we already talked about the median being one of the quartiles, the second quartile. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data. So we need to go between 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and find the mean of these two center ones, which would be 29. So let's circle that, and we will say that that is the median, and it's also known as quartile 2. Now, to find quartile 1 and to further separate this data into 4 equal parts, we need to now find the median of the lower half. But before we do that, let's just label that, and we'll use a different pen. This is the lower half, and this is the upper half. Okay, now we've separated into 2 equal parts. Now we need to further separate it. So we need to find the median of the lower half. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can simply take the center number, and that is the median of the lower half is the first quartile, and it's often referred to as Q1. Okay, and then we'll do the same up here with the upper half. 32 is our center or median of the upper half, and so that is the median of the upper half is the third quartile, or Q3. Okay, so now we have the data is separated into 4 equal parts. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next, the IQR. Let's scoot this up a little bit. Okay, the IQR is the interquartile range. And it is the distance between Q1 and Q3. You could say the difference or distance between the third and first quartile. So the IQR equals Q3 minus Q1. So in this case, the IQR would be Q3 is 32 minus Q1, which is 22, and it equals 10.